Welcome to PC BuildVenture, where hardware meets adventure. Here we explore PCs as ecosystems, document builds like expeditions, and invite you to join the journey. No rules, just the next venture, wherever it leads. And here we find the mighty Ruckus Centralis, half motherboard, half elephant, fully responsible for keeping this entire digital circus upright. Without it, chaos. With it, stability, and the occasional static trumpet. Trotting across the dim pastures, we meet the Memoria Crucialis, a reliable workhorse nibbling on 32 gig grains, always ready, rarely resting, and faster than it looks when the workload starts to gallop. Moving through the onboard pathways with quiet confidence, the Velocitas Silencia prowls like a digital leopard. Silent but swift, it grabs input ops in a single swift motion, leaving only perfectly timed performance in its wake. Perched in the processor socket, the computer's AMDs observes its domain with quiet wisdom. A true deep thinker, it pecks through instructions per cycle with scholarly precision, the kind of creature that never blinks but always computes. Slowly gliding through the desktop realms, the Cassatum GAMDIAS makes its presence known. A true static show-off, the snail-shaded case thrives on airflow currents and any excuse to display its RGB personality. Roaming the portal plains, the Paterna Connexus grazes on passing signal waves. With its proud ram horn antennas, It locks on to distant frequencies with surprising elegance, the unsung scout of the entire ecosystem. Deep within the power caverns lurks the Energia Volcanus, a volatile yet vital dragon who breathes steady wattage streams into the ecosystem. Temperamental at times, but without its fiery generosity, nothing else would even wake up. Towering over the PCIe slot cliffs, the Graphica Rex rules with pixel-crunching power. A strong worker by nature, this T-Rex of rendering devours frames per second like a hungry beast and never skips a meal. Soaring above the mid-tier builds, the Ventus Minimalis spreads its cooling wings. This eagle-eyed guardian swoops in to dissipate heat with quiet precision, a noble breeze keeping the ecosystem calm and collected. And so, after guiding each creature into its rightful habitat, our digital ecosystem finally comes to life. Piece by piece, the expedition takes shape, until at last, the moment arrives. With a single press, the realm awakens. Lights flare, fans stir, and every species, from the tiniest signal grazer to the mighty Graphica Rex, begins its harmonious dance. Now fully assembled, the PC reveals itself from every angle. A thriving world of silicon and circuitry, a reminder that every build is an adventure, every component a character, and every venture just the beginning of the next. Thank you for joining this build venture. Until the next expedition, stay curious, keep exploring, and may your frame rates be ever in your favor.